Now let's explore a useful dimensional analysis problem that has two different ways to solve. Either way is equally successful. You find yourself driving a car in Germany and the posted speed limit is 100 kilometers per hour. You need to prove whether 100 kilometers per hour is faster or slower than the 65 miles per hour you're allowed to drive in Wisconsin. Given what you have in this problem, you could either choose to start with kilometers per hour and convert it to miles per hour, or you could start with miles per hour and convert it to kilometers per hour. Either way, once you have the conversion done, you're going to want to compare the two results to see which one's greater than the other. Let's start with kilometers per hour. You're told that the posted speed limit in Germany is 100 kilometers in 1 hour. So given this fraction, all you need to do with the conversion is set up another fraction that you can multiply the first by that's equal to the ratio of the conversion. In this case, this means there are 8.05 kilometers in 5 miles. Now you can check that this is correct because the top and the bottom parts of the fraction, the numerator and the denominator, cancel perfectly, leaving you with the units of miles per hour. So if we do the math in our calculator, you can calculate that 100 kilometers per hour converts to approximately 62 miles per hour. So the answer to your question, going back to the problem, is that 100 kilometers per hour is in fact slower than 65 miles per hour because 100 kilometers per hour is 62 miles per hour. Now the other way to solve this problem would be to start with 65 miles per hour and convert miles per hour to kilometers per hour. It's done in the same manner where you set up a fraction, the numerator is 65 miles per 1 hour, and then you set up the conversion. That would be 5 miles in 8.05 kilometers. Again, the numerator and the denominator cancel, leaving you with kilometers per hour. If you do the math, this works out to be approximately 104.7 kilometers per hour. Again, if we go back to what we were calculating, 65 miles per hour is 104.7 kilometers per hour. If you're only going 100 kilometers per hour, you know that this is in fact less than going 65 miles per hour. So either way, you've come to the conclusion that you have to drive slower in Germany.